All right, let's focus. Here we go. 15. I'm videoing it. Tara, focus. 15. What are we doing? Now we know we got to have the area, right?
Yeah.
What is the base area? What's our base? What's the shape?
Sphere.
It's not a sphere. Circle. Okay? The area that we're looking for is the base area of a circle. So what's the formula for a base area of a circle? What is it?
10.
Guys, base area of a circle is what?
R2.
Pi R2. Not 2.
3.
Squared.
It's
Not just a 2. You have to know it's squared. It's not 2R. Because that's circumference. 2 times R is different than R squared. Okay?
6 told me 2 times R is 10.
Okay, now.
He told me.
I don't know why you guys think things are funny. It's not funny. Okay? Alright, next. What am I plugging in? What is R? Guys, can you please focus? What is R?
R is 10.
So the base area is what?
10. I'm guessing.
This is definition, right? Of the base area of a circle. Set 2 is that the base area of the circle is equal to 10 squared pi. So what did we do? All we did was took this 10 and plugged it in. Okay? So that would be what? When we plug something in, what's that called? When you plug something in. When another person comes in, when I'm not here, what do you call them?
Sub.
Okay. Same thing. Okay? Is this written down?
Yeah.
Because I don't see anything on your paper. I see you turning and talking and laughing and making lots of jokes, but I'm not seeing you write anything. And shouldn't it be on what side of your notebook?
All right.
Thank you very much. Is it?
I'm not even on my notebook. Yeah.
My point exactly. Where should we be writing? First, notebook. Second, your test. This has to be on the right side of your notebook. Then when you see something that makes sense to you, you put it on what side?
Right.
When it makes sense to you, what side do you put that on?
Charles told me it was the right always, but I said both.
When I write it, it's on the right. When you come up with it, it's on the...
Right.
That's it. Okay? Alright, what is 10 times 10?
100.
Boom. Alright? That means that when we simplify this, right? When we simplify it, right? Or what we did was the exponent rule, right? From left to right. PEMDAS, right? PE, the exponent. We said, okay, the base area is equal to 100 pi. Okay? And once we know the base area, what can we do? We can use it in the volume, right? So how are we going to use it in the volume? What's volume equal? Volume of a prism is equal to what? The volume of a prism is equal to the base area, right, of the prism, right, times what? Times the height. So, sorry. The volume of the prism, right, is equal to the base area of the prism times the height of the prism, right? Times the height of the prism. That is definition of the volume of a prism, right? So now we can plug some things in. Do we have the base area? Do we know what the base area is? Alila, what's the base area? 100 pi. Okay, so 100 pi. So we're going to take that 100 pi and we're going to plug it in. So I'm going to go, volume of a prism is equal to 100 pi. Now remember, this was 10, is it yards? Yeah. So this was 10 yards, right? And this is 9 yards. So this 10 yards squared would be yards squared, right? So I got 10 yards squared times what? What's the height? The height is 9 yards. Okay? So, substitution, right? And what is 9 times 100?
900.
900. So 5. The volume of a prism is 900 pi yards. So how many yards? Is it cubed, squared, or just yard?
Yard.
Yard.
Volume.
Squared.
Volume.
Cube.
Cubed. Remember, if I have 2 here and 1 here, what's 2 and 1? 2 and 1 make 3. Okay? It's okay. We're pushing this. It's a lot to learn. Oops, this is step 6. So step 6 means what? Simplify. But how did we simplify? And we did multiplication division, right? MD from left to right. Okay? MD from left to right. Can't really see that, but that's MD from left to right. Okay? Now, you're going to plug it in your calculator, and you're going to get 900 pi, oops, 900 pi equals 2,827 and 43. So 2827.433, right? Now what does the 3 do to the 4?
Stays the same.
Stays the same. So this is going to be 2827.4. Okay? Yards to the what? Cubed, squared, or 1? Cubed. Good. We're learning. Okay? That is our 7th step. Okay? And that's, what step is that called? Approximate. Okay? Approximate. Okay? So you guys, this is exactly what we're doing in geometry right now. Okay? So, I mean, you do geometry in pre-algebra. Okay? The difference is your numbers are going to be a lot easier. Okay? So like 9 and 10. So 10 times 10 is 100. 9 times 100 is 900. Pretty easy, right? So that's what, the thing is, we still have to learn all the formulas, right? And that's hard. So the more you focus on this now, the easier everything's going to be later.